Hello everyone. Today we will discuss on the topic sources of adverse event report in pharmacovigilance. So firstly we know about what is the term pharmacovigilance and adverse event. Pharmacovigilance, it is the science and activities related to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse effect or any other drug related problem. An adverse event is any undesirable or harmful occurrence experienced by a patient during the use of medications or the medical interventions. One of the most essential components of the pharmacovigilance is the collection of adverse event report, which provide crucial information regarding the safety profile of the pharmaceutical products. These reports come from various sources, each contributing its unique insights into safety of drug in clinical use. So first one source is the spontaneous reporting sources. In this, spontaneous reporting is one of the most common and widely used method for collecting of adverse event reports. These reports are voluntarily submitted by the healthcare professional, patient or consumer to regulatory authorities, pharmaceutical companies or other relevant organizations. Healthcare professionals such as physicians, nurses, pharmacists and other medical personnel are the primary source of the adverse event report. Patient and consumer. Patient who experience the adverse reaction to medications can directly report their experience to regulatory agencies or the pharmaceutical companies. Pharmaceutical companies, the drug manufacturer, are legally required to collect, assess, report adverse event associated with their product to the regulatory authorities. This company maintain the comprehensive database and work closely with the healthcare professionals and patient to gather the data on adverse event. Then second reporting source is the clinical trial. Adverse event report generated during clinical trials are another important source of information. During the pre-market phase, clinical trials are conducted to evaluate the safety and efficacy of the drug. In this phase 1 to up to phase 3, adverse event data are systematically collected during clinical trial, where patients are monitored for adverse events that occur during the course of the study. This data collection is crucial as it helps to identify the potential risk associated with the investigational drug. Then third one reporting source is the electronic health record and medical database. Electronic health record and other medical database provide another rich source of information on adverse event. Electronic health record are the digital version of patient medical history and include detailed record of all healthcare interaction. Data meaning of electronic health record with patient consent. This record can be used for the large-scale surveillance and can help to identify the trends or cluster of adverse event linked to specific drug. Medical claim and insurance database. This database collected information about patient medical history, treatment regimen and any claim made for reimbursement. By analyzing these data sets, researchers can identify potential drug safety signal and adverse event in the general population. Then fourth one reporting source is the regulatory agencies. Regulatory agencies such as the US Food and Drug Administration, European Medicine Agencies, and other national health authorities play a very important role in the pharmacovigilance. These agencies often act as a central repositories for the adverse event submitted from the various adverse event sources, including healthcare professional, patient, pharmaceutical companies. FDA adverse event reporting system in US maintain the FAIRS database, which collect information on adverse event submitted through the MedWatch program. Then European Medicine Agencies manage IDRA Vigilance, a similar database that collect and analyze adverse event data. This database is essential for the ensuring the safety of mark drugs in the Europe. Then fifth one reporting source is the post-marketing surveillance and risk management program. Post-marketing surveillance involve the ongoing monitoring of drug after they have been released into the market. This surveillance is designed to identify adverse events that were not detected in the clinical trial due to limited size or scope of those trials. Risk management plan. The drug manufacturer are often required to implement the risk management plan, which includes strategies for monitoring and minimizing the risk of their products. Then patient registries. Some pharmaceutical companies establish register to track the long-term safety of the drug, especially for the chronic condition or the rare disease. These registries can be valuable sources of adverse event information over extended periods. The sixth one source is the literature report. Scientific literature including case report, clinical studies and systemic review also contribute to the pharmacovigilance. Researcher and healthcare professionals sometimes publish case report documenting adverse events associated with specific drugs. Although these reports can be limited in scope, they are essential for identify rare or unexpected adverse reaction that might not be captured through other reporting channel. The seventh one reporting source is the social media and online platforms. With the rise of digital health and online forums, social media is platforms such as Twitter, Facebook and specialized health forum are increasingly being used as a source of pharmacovigilance data. Caregivers, and healthcare professionals may share their experience with drugs, including any adverse effect. Pharmaceutical companies and regulatory authorities are now utilizing automated tools to monitor the social media for report of adverse events. So that's all about the sources of adverse event reporting in the pharmacovigilance. Thank you.